Congressman Paulo Duterte said, accused Congresswoman Janet Garin of being the one of hastily, quote unquote, I am quoting him, hastily collecting signatures and maneuvering behind the scenes. Could you talk us through ano ba talaga yung nangyari today? Was there someone soliciting signatures from you guys?
Well, I'm quite surprised about the remarks of Congressman Paulo dahil, to be honest with you, I did not receive any call from Congresswoman Garin. It was actually my staff who called me na meron daw caucus at merong party meeting. So I just went to the party meeting. It was presented, inisa-isa, pinaliwanag. So kung wala naman pilitan yan, kung sino gustong pumirma, di pumirma. Kung ayaw, lahat naman nagsunuran. So lahat naman pumirma. So that's it.
Okay, Kung Joel, clarify lang again, yung pirmahan nagyari doon sa caucus. Tama ba?
Ano po?
Yung pirmahan, the signing, that happened in the caucus.
Yung pirmahan?
Oo, yun po. Kasi di ba marami pong
Opo,
pirma.
may mga pumirma po nung sa caucus. Yung mga hindi, kagaya ko po, hindi pa po ako nakakapirma nun eh. That was kaya kung titingnan, number 73 po ako eh. So, but may mga iba naman po kasi nung pag may mga nakapirma na rin eh.
Right. Okay. Kong, you are a re-election.
Go
ahead, Kong.
Hindi ko lang po alam kung yung mga iba ay kailan nagpirma. Pero nung ako po kasi pumirma, after it was presented and it was explained thoroughly and discussed. So may mga, yun po.
Yeah.
Kong, I was saying earlier, you are a re-electionist. So magiging busy ka in the next few days. But before kayo pumirma dito sa impeachment laban kay VP Sara, aren't you concerned about the possible effect, especially recently nagkaroon ng rally, alam natin, Iglesia ni Cristo, very solid ang votes. Aren't you concerned that it may affect the number of votes that you may get this coming midterm election because of these impeachment complaints?
Well, of course, to be honest with you, siyempre concerned naman lahat, no? I will be hypocrite if I will say no. But this is our constitutional duty. In fact, ang dami rin nagtatanong sa akin sa media, bakit hindi tinutuloy pa impeachment complaints? Ano na ang nangyari? Inupuan po ba ninyo? So, it's a situation na damn if you do, damn if you don't eh. So, pagka hindi namin tinuloy ito, marami rin ng mga nagtatanong, mga constituents namin nagtatanong, ano na nangyari? Parang after all the committee hearings, ano na ang nangyari. So, siguro, ako sa tingin ko naman na yung mga tao naman very reasonable at maiintindihan naman po nila na we're just doing our job. We're just doing our mandate under the Constitution.
Did the House get any signal from Malacanang to proceed?
Wala naman po akong narinig from Malacanang. It was just during the party caucus that it was explained. So, yun po, nung after that, pumirma po ako.